Welcome, Kitsap County. Today, this video is for all of you homebuyers out there who keep getting beat out of the market. Have you submitted an offer and it's been declined, not accepted, and you're getting tired? Well, this video is for you this week. We're going to go over the 4 things that we're seeing in this hot market that are getting home buyer offers accepted and in escrow. I'm Stephanie Dupuis with Dupuis team at Keller Williams West Sound, and joining me today is
Ashton Evans with the Dupuis team at Keller Williams.
So, Ashton, we had a similar video several months ago. We're probably going to have this video a couple times in the future here because
things keep changing. So, what are those 4 things?
And these are let's make this clear. These are 4 new things. So,
yeah.
I want to go back, if you're a buyer, to our past videos and look up the prior video on what buyers need to be doing, because those things still hold true. These are 4 new things. One thing that we're seeing that's working really well for buyers right now in this market is address your inspection period. We always advise having an inspection, but some things you can do as a buyer is shorten the inspection period. And we're seeing some agents submit offers with a pass-fail inspection. They will request no repairs. And this is a great opportunity for you to edge out other buyers who are doing full 10-day or 7-day inspections. And sellers, it lowers the seller's risk in many ways. So that's the first point, is address the inspection period. The second thing that we're seeing that's working really well in this market is provide a fully underwritten offer. Many buyers in this market are competing against cash buyers. Ashton, have you had any buyers or sellers? Have you seen this cash buyer war happening?
Oh yeah, especially in the lower numbers too. It's like, if you don't have cash in the lower numbers, then it's just so hard. I just got somebody finally under contract that was looking for 10 months because he actually did have cash. Now that I'm thinking about it, but
they get people with more cash. The cash now very competitive. The cash buyers are offering either list price or above, 3 to 5% above list price. They're competing as if they have a loan. So the cash situation is big. If you have a loan, you at a minimum need to be fully underwritten, which is as close to cash as you can get. If you have a loan, you have questions about that, speak with your lender to understand what to do, how to do it, and what it means, because we're not lenders here. All right.
Yeah, cash really, I would just like to say too that, cash used to be king, where you could, if you had cash, you could offer a little less and they'd just be like, oh, well, we've got all of these loans that may or may not go through. Let's take the cash. And now you can't, cash is not king where you can come in at a low offer just because you have cash anymore. You still have to compete like it's a loan.
Yep. And true. Sellers, we had a seller over the weekend who accepted a buyer who had a loan and turned down several cash offers because the buyer with the loan provided better terms in other ways. So not a done deal. All right, the third thing is search 20% below your price point. So if you have a $400,000 price point, you don't want to spend above $400,000. Shop around $350,000. So you have a buffer there, some wiggle room, some headroom to offer above the list price and compete with all those other offers. We're seeing easily offers that are $30,000, $50,000, $60,000 above list price right now. Okay.
Yes.
If you're in with at list price or $5,000 over list price, chances are you're going to have to kiss your offer goodbye. You're wasting time. So that's just the market that we're in. So shop below your price point so you have headroom to make an offer. And this is just kind of in that same vein of shopping below your list price. It's in the vein of just being smart and savvy. Be ready to act fast. Don't sleep on a listing. If you see a house you like, we're seeing the best offers come in within 24 hours of list date, of going live, and then the offers just get worse and worse and worse. So sellers are learning to act fast. I wouldn't, put too much weight into review dates. If you see a review date that's a week out, I get your offer in right away, because we're seeing too many offers accepted prior to review date right now. The market's just too hot. Act fast, get your best offers in, your highest and best in within 24 to 36 hours. And make sure you've got an agent that's being responsive to that. Agents are super busy, so have some compassion that way. But make sure your agent and you are on board and know what you're looking for. So you can take action when you see what you want. Here's the last one. And this is one, Ash and I were discussing before the video about this last one, the fourth
Craziness.
one. I think this is I've known about this for a couple years, but we're seeing it here in Kitsap County now. To compete with cash offers, folks who are home buying who have a loan are going to a lender and getting what's what we've considered a private loan in the past, but it's no longer a private loan, because private lenders won't loan to residential properties for your primary residence. But there are programs out there now that what they're doing, and I don't want to mention any names. You can Google this. Google get cash, a cash loan.
Buy houses with cash, or that'll bring up a bunch.
I don't want to send them down a bad trail here. Basically, what you do is you get a loan from a lender who gives you the cash so you can make an all cash offer on a home and compete with those cash buyers. And that's a good deal.
And then you turn around and refinance it after it closes.
That puts you in the game to compete as a cash buyer. Once you close on the home, then you refinance the house and you carry on with the type of loan that you had and pay back the cash. So, and those companies can walk you through the steps. It's probably different for each company. We don't have the details on that. There's too many details. However,
out there.
Yeah. However,
Out there and worth a look-see.
Google that, check that out. If you are getting beat up by cash buyers, that's an option for you. Okay? So those are the four things you can do right now if you're a buyer in Kitsap County, getting beat out of this market, to give you an edge on buying a home and getting into a home. Because what we're finding is, using those tools, we're able to get our home buyers in homes within 7 to 14 days under contract. Not closed, but in escrow.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks, Kitsap County. We appreciate you joining us. If you have questions, please post your questions below, comments below. We love hearing those and responding to those. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends. If you know somebody who's looking for a home and really struggling to get a home under contract, share this. Post this on their timeline. Send it to them via Messenger. Subscribe to our YouTube page. Like us on Facebook. Okay? And we will see you here next week. It's the exact same spot. I'm Stephanie Dupuis with Dupuis team at Keller Williams West Sound. Along with
Ashton Evans with the Dupuis team at Keller Williams West Sound.
Excellent. Thank you.
Have a beautiful day, guys.